see what they have to say here.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's going to be a lot more energetic than now. I mean, imagine your sea level rising at 3 or 4 times at least faster than we've seen rise in the last century. And within there, juxtaposed, are these episodes of very rapid sea level rise. So you're talking about a very energetic intertidal zone. And anything that's there, short of large megalithic blocks, is going to be utterly obliterated by the time the process is through. And I think that this is one of the things that, you know, the archaeologists and the prehistorians, people are looking at that, have failed to take into account the severity of these events we're talking about. Because the question always is, where are the artifacts? Where's the pottery? Where is the evidence that this civilization existed? And I have 2 responses to that. One, you don't realize the extent of the total remodeling of this planetary surface that took place. Because, I mean, we could get into some of the stuff here. I have tons of images where I think maybe we'll get a chance to pull up a couple of really awesome drone footage here before we're done. But once you begin to wrap your head around this, you go, really? You know, it's like, imagine that you drop an atomic bomb on a city and it completely obliterates it. And then a short while later, you drop another one on the same place. What's going to be left? And then 10,000 years, 20,000 years goes by. What are you going to what are you going to find? What are you going to look for?
Exactly.
Right.
That's like, we're talking global rearranging events, and you're expecting to find pottery?
Right. You're asking for a lot.
And let's also take into account, too, where did most civilizations of old establish themselves?
Oh, near water.
Near water.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, if your whole civilization is 400 plus feet underwater, it's going to be real hard to function as a society, I would imagine, unless you developed gills and became mer people like spontaneously.
The legends of sirens and mermaids were true.
Ooh.
Yeah.
But yeah, like the fact that there's events that have happened on this planet that we cannot fathom the intensity. We have yet to see something in recorded history that even comes close to comparing. Like nothing in recorded history that can compare to what happened at the end of the Younger Dryas.
Yeah. No. That's a big one. That's a real
So you
big
think
one.
about it for a minute and you go like, dude, there's nothing.
That's huge.
There's nothing.
Just a portion of us wiped away. The Earth restructured immediately. Well, damn near immediately. It might as well be if you consider time, like in comparison to world-changing events.
Yeah.
Well,